Okay, let's look at Lemma1 here. So Lemma1 says a transformation T So a transformation T is diagonalizable if and only if there is a basis B given by these basis vectors and scalars lambda 1 through lambda n such that T, so if we take the transformation T of each beta I vector will equal lambda sub I times beta I vector for each I. So the proof is pretty straightforward. So first we consider a diagonal representation matrix. So here's the diagonal representation matrix here. So we take the matrix of all of the different representations with respect to B of T of beta 1 through T of beta sub n. Okay, and what that's going to do is it's going to give us all of the lambdas down the diagonal and everything else is going to be 0. So that's going to give us, so that's our diagonal matrix we're going to start with. Okay. Now it says consider the representation of a member of this basis with respect to the basis representation with respect to B of beta sub I. Okay? So what we're going to do is take the product of the diagonal matrix and the representation vector. Okay? So again, so we're going to consider one of these representation vectors with respect to beta sub I. Okay. And so if we take the product, right? So we take this representation here with respect to B of T of beta sub I, that's going to give us our representation matrix here times our representation with respect to B of beta sub I. And what does that give us? It gives us the corresponding vector with the ith element, or excuse me, the ith entry being lambda sub I, which is the stated action. And that's it.